Tropical Storm Cindy, Part 2, coming up right after this. There's some blue skies up there. And it's kind of a rough night. It rained most of the night, rained real hard, and lightning, thundering, and a little bit of wind, but we were nice and secure in here, this rest area, and I don't know what's going to happen today. It's a little cloudy back over that way. There's some storm clouds. You can tell all the rain flooded over there. And it's pretty dark over that way. Over this way it's light. You know how tropical storms and hurricanes go, you know, they're on a circulation. And we're on the east side of the eye or whatever. And that's generally the hardest part, roughest part. So we're going to do our pre-trip here. And start heading east on 10 until we get to Mobile, Alabama. Then we're going to go north on 65. Here we go. We're in the rain. Raining on and off and on. It'll stop.
Big jump is stepping up.
It'll rain real hard and it'll stop. A little bit of wind. A little bit of wind, nothing to worry about. I think we had some right before we left the rest area back there. They were talking about a tornado warning in that area. And I got the heck out of there. Free trip was over and I left. But you see ahead of us there, it looks like, you know, you see bright skies and you see the dark clouds, breaks up. Typical tropical storm weather, I guess. Hopefully the time we get over to Mobile, Alabama, maybe it'll let up a little bit, I don't know. Get on 65 and head north, maybe we'll head north out of this mess. Not too bad though. I was expecting a lot worse. Hoping for the best. Kind of windy on this bridge here. Going over the bay or something. I don't know what it's called, but it's Pascagoula, Mississippi. And it's wide open. And it's a little bit windy. Not too bad. I'm just glad our load is kind of heavy, like 39,000 pounds. Instead of having a light load like I have been lately, I don't know if I'd even be out in this mess. I'd probably be parked somewhere. It's getting rain and wind and tornado warnings, but I think all the tornado warnings are behind us, off to the west. And you can see it's starting to clear up, break up a little bit. So maybe by the time we get up here to Mobile, Alabama and hit 65 north, yeah, we'll probably get some rain, but I don't think it's going to be all that bad. If I get off this bridge get out of this open area, I sure would feel a lot better. Made it to Alabama here at the Welcome Center, just across the state line here on I-10. A little windy out, cloudy, everything's breaking up over there. The sun was shining when I pulled in, but you know, all these clouds is covered again. Crazy stuff, man. I'm glad to get out of it. Sunny, I need some sunny skies and some calm weather. That's trucking, running into all kinds of weather. You just never know. Well, let's get out of here and try to get out of it. Just when you think you get out of the rain and the wind, there it comes again. Isn't that right? That's pretty good. 65 northbound here in Alabama. Got through Mobile and everything down there. Nice. No rain. Sun was kind of out. And got up here, I guess about the 37-mile marker or something. And it just cut loose. Pouring down rain. Don't feel much wind. That's good. I can handle the rain. The rain and the strong wind, I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Let me turn this camera around and I'll show you what is going on. Yeah, this is what I've been looking at for the last 10, 20 miles. I guess I'm going to be in the rain most of the day. I guess this is part of the tropical storm. Some of the outer bands, rain bands. Exit mile marker 45 right now. Coming up on exit 45. I'm going to stop up here somewhere in the next 50 miles or so. Get my 30-minute break. Get something to eat and continue on for South Carolina. Just got fuel at the Petro in Shorter, Alabama, exit 22 on I-85. And man, nothing but rain since the last time I talked to you there. Nothing but rain, 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 pouring down rain. But I don't know if this is part of what the tropical storm Cindy brought up here, or just something altogether different. But whatever it is, it's still rain. We're gonna try to go get north of Atlanta this evening before we get parked, because I don't want to deal with Atlanta in the morning. So hopefully by the time we get up there, it won't be too bad. It's 2:25 over here Central Time, 3:25 up there in Atlanta, and I guess we're about a couple hours out, maybe not quite that much, but if it's raining up there, I'm sure there's a lot of crashes. So I had to stop, get some fuel, and got me some coffee. Been one of those days. $300 miles, that's it today, and I feel like I've done 600 or 900 or 1,000 or something. Man, it's crazy. So let's get out of here. 85 northbound. Well, we're parked. Thank goodness. Finally. End of the day. Crazy day. Rainy day. Rained most of the day. Till we got up by Atlanta. And thank goodness it let up. It was still kind of backed up traffic-wise in certain places in Atlanta, but that's just normal stuff. Made it up here to Carnesville, Georgia, exit 160 on Interstate 85 to the Petro Travel Center. Get up in the morning, head on up to Duncan, South Carolina, and get this unloaded. So that was my experience with Tropical Storm Cindy. Yes. Wasn't too bad. Just all the rain and everything, that was most of the aggravation. But we did 519 miles today, and I hope you enjoyed part 1 and part 2. So if you're not subscribed, be sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon, that way you will be notified every time a video is uploaded. So everybody have a good day and stay safe.